Hello and welcome to another how-to video podcast of the Open Smart Designer. In this video, I present the new OSRA release 2020-03. For the upcoming OpenScape Business version 3, we have updated the OpenScape Business package, including the new mainboard capabilities for the X8. So, you can find inside the X8 now a new option for the additional SSD hard disk, which is automatically selected if UC Suite is used. There's still an X8 booster card available, if still used in older systems. In addition, we have corrected the user license setup of the OpenScape Business so that now the correct IP and TDM user licenses are shown and summed up. The two options to have permanent licenses or pay-as-you-go option is now available and high-levelly described in the statement of work. We have removed the UC Smart client from the OpenScape Business client package and updated the descriptions for My Portal Desktop, Outlook and at Work. The OpenScape 4000 OSRA package is prepared for the upcoming changes of version 10, which mainly covers some new features and restrictions like the phased-out support of the OptiSet devices. These changes are done mostly in some texts. Please check the official release dates, documents and general availability of OpenScape Business version 3 and OpenScape 4000 version 10 in addition. There was the need to rebuild the OSRA package completely. Until today, the OSRA package was built in that way that you have selected the system and then the expansion boards directly in this selected OSRA system itself. But with changing the OSRA lines with the last tool release, there was the problem that these parts still were visible if you have closed the core package itself. The new way we have built the package is more in line with the other package setups we have used in the OSRA library. You can select the OSRA base system in the core package, plus all different extension boards in the same section. Optically, we have set all items belonging to the same OSRA base system in the same line. For sure, there are still elements like licenses, features and functions you have to select in the OSRA system itself. This is reflected in the OSRA Eco 100 and 200, as well as in the Pro 200 and 300. The new setup gives you all possibilities to mix different OSRA systems for the same solution and the number you need out of the same package, which was not possible before. The OSRA release contains now also a new offer document. No, Open Smart Designer still not produce price calculations and still cannot place an order out of it. But there was the wish to enable Open Smart Designer to produce a normal offer document with various texts. You can find it inside the Documents library and put it to the graphical plan. The minimum requirement is to add the yellow Common Solution Settings package too. So, there's no need to have a complete solution diagram to get the offer document and the different texts. There are still blocks, like the price position, etc., which needs to be added manually. But if you have created an Open Smart Designer solution diagram, the content will be enhanced by the texts from the OSRA packages too. For sure, there's a big benefit to use this document for solutions you have created in OSD². These benefits will take place in the chapter Solution Overview, Service Level Agreement, please use the maintenance package for that, Microsoft Telco licenses, and some more. You can configure the document settings, entering contact, address data, offer number, configuring the chapters you want to have in the document, as well as selecting additional texts which were previously used in our internal offer systems like VD Sales. To use these additional texts, please have a look to the tip text and select the line if the text fits to your needs. All these texts are not ready to use. They need your attention, and this is also the reason why they are written at the end of the document. So please move them to the right place, line you want to use them. For the moment, this document is available in German and in English language. Since some releases, we add step-by-step description texts for the design and implementation services to show our customers and delivery partners clearly what will be implemented and what's not. This is in line with the descriptions in the Unify Service Calculator, USC. In this release, we have added the texts for the Unified Communication Package and around. We have added also a separate sub-selection for the subchapter of the statement of work to select or deselect the texts for this design and implementation tasks. There is also a small text update for the OpenScape DECT M3 ext devices in the OSRA package DECT devices. The exact classification for harsh and explosive environments is now described. We have added a serial and analog connection line for the nurse call system as well as the alarm system. In addition, we have created an old PSA system for the same setup. Musiphone and the third-party gateway are updated so that the existing analog connections can be used with analog boards too. The OpenScape SBC Small is updated to the new Lenovo hardware SR250. And the quantity of high-mid port servers was hard-coded connected to the number of high-mid TV server. This was okay if you have just one TV server, but if you have to plan a hospital with different locations, it becomes a little bit tricky. So we have decoupled these quantities and added a separate item in the package GUI so that you can set the numbers or instances of the port servers you need. There was an error in the project information document, which leads to an not correct IP address list because it was not showing the software belonging to the different servers. This is now fixed too. And we have enhanced the TDS chapters for OpenScape Voice, Enterprise Express and OpenScape 4000. Additional text describes now the different deployment models, numbering plans, feature configurations and other smaller things. Keep an eye on these texts and use them if applicable. The Lenovo Rack server and the Dell Rack and Tower servers are updated too. We have added the new server names, CPU types and RAM adaptions, etc. Fujitsu servers are no longer supported or part of this order lists, so please use the older packages or the Unify server instead. Fujitsu servers are no longer part of the server package, but still available in the portfolio library, infrastructure and integration environment. And well, this new release is based on the VM Resource Guide version 10, issue 1 from March 2020. That's it for today. Good luck in your projects, goodbye, and see you soon.